We'll guide you through how to handle a ChatGPT data breach. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, head over to the security settings section of your account. It's crucial to review your account activity for any unfamiliar logins or actions. If you notice anything suspicious, change your password immediately. Click on the Change Password option and create a strong, unique password. Make sure it's a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Next, enable TWF factor authentication if you haven't already. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code sent to your mobile device every time you log in. You can usually find this option in the security settings as well. If your account was part of a breach, OpenAI should have sent you a notification. Check your email inbox for any messages from OpenAI regarding the breach and follow their specific recommendations. It's also a good idea to monitor your email for any phishing attempts pretending to be from OpenAI. Be cautious and avoid clicking on any suspicious links or attachments. Finally, keep your software and antivirus tools up to date. This helps protect your device against potential malware or hacking attempts. Regularly updating your browser, operating system, and security software can prevent further issues. Remember to periodically check your account settings and security measures even after the breach to ensure everything remains secure. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.